Prompt engineering in AI is a term that refers to the process of designing and formulating prompts or questions to interact effectively with AI models like ChatGPT or Midjourney. In an educational context, it's about crafting the right questions to create unique, personalized, and engaging learning plans for your students. In this video, you'll learn to create top-tier AI prompts for teaching, and at the end of the video, we'll give you the perfect prompt sample that you can use for any topic or audience. Now, let's delve into the 4 rules for effective AI prompt engineering. Imagine you are designing a learning plan about the American Civil War. The first thing you want is to be specific. The more detailed your prompt, the more likely the AI will generate the desired output. In other words, instead of asking, for example, "Tell me about the American Civil War," you could ask, "Can you generate a detailed lesson plan for 8th graders on the major events of the American Civil War?" This is the #1 rule for AI prompting. The more specific you are, the most targeted and useful responses from the AI will be. Rule #2. Set the tone. If you are crafting prompts for younger students, make sure your language and tone match that audience. For example, you could use something like, "Can you generate a fun and interactive lesson plan on the American Civil War for 5th graders?" However, imagine you are targeting university students. In this case, you want a more developed, mature tone, so a better prompt would be something like, "Can you generate a comprehensive and academically rigorous lesson plan on the major events, political dynamics, and socio-economic impacts of the American Civil War for university history students?" Rule #3. Use system messages. This means defining the role of the AI within your prompt. For example, you are an assistant AI tasked with creating a comprehensive lesson plan on the American Civil War for university students. By doing this, you set a clear context and purpose for the AI, which helps it generate more focused and relevant responses. Think of it as giving the AI a mission. It guides the AI's thinking and can significantly improve the quality of the output. Rule #4. Experiment and iterate. AI isn't perfect, and sometimes the first output might not meet your expectations. That's perfectly okay. This is where you refine your prompt. If the initial lesson plan isn't quite right, tweak your prompt. You could also try something like, "Can you generate a detailed lesson plan focusing on the causes, key battles, and socio-economic impacts of the American Civil War for university students?" Iterating on your prompts is like fine-tuning a musical instrument. Each adjustment brings you closer to the perfect output, one that best meets your students' learning needs. Now, as promised, let's craft the perfect prompt for designing any learning plan, regardless of age and topic, using what we've learned. This is the prompt we'll write, but you can change the content of the brackets to match your needs. You are an assistant AI, tasked with creating a comprehensive and academically rigorous lesson plan on the major events, political dynamics, and socio-economic impacts of the American Civil War for university history students. For large tasks like these, whenever ChatGPT stops, simply write "continue", and the AI will keep working. And there you have it. Implement these rules and you'll be an AI prompt engineering pro in no time. Remember, it's all about creating engaging, personalized content to inspire learning. If you want to learn more about AI and ChatGPT in education, don't forget to check out our other video on the topic. You can also check our other content related to edtech and e-learning in our website at smol.net. At Smoltech, we develop a proctoring solution, Smol, that uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to help businesses and educational institutions guarantee integrity under digital and online assessments. We hope this video helped you gain insight into prompt engineering. If you liked it, please give us a like and share the video. See you in the next one.